Good morning. It's day 37 of Safety 365, and we're going to keep on the theme of first aid. The contents of a first aid kit shall be placed in a weatherproof container and individual seed packages for each type of item, and checked every week to make sure the items are replaced. I just showed this old picture of a first aid kit, but I go in and I look at it because sometimes people take a bunch of Band-Aids. Sometimes there's nothing left. So you got to go out there and do this. If you have a monthly service, you wouldn't meet this requirement, but take a look at the first aid kits. Put it by somebody in charge of safety, because you do want to know when people are using a bunch of Band-Aids. Are they getting near misses and they're just going to tape them up with their bandages? I would also add some Neosporin in there. I'm also a fan of a tourniquet, a combat tourniquet, and other safety devices we'll show you later on during the series. But this is important. I remember going out there, and when I was in OSHA, this was a $500 fine if you didn't have a first aid kit. Well, let's be safe, no injuries at all, and I'll see you tomorrow.